Hello again, guys. Today I've got another delivery through, and this one was from Aylesbury Fireworks. I placed it a couple of days ago and it arrived today, so I thought I'd do another unboxing video. This should be part 2. I said I'll do the rockets that were down the shed. Obviously these are the ones I bought today, and they're the rockets I had down the shed, so I'll start with these. So I've got here the Black Saturns. These are quite powerful. These have got, if I can even see, where am I looking, 50 grams of powder in each one. Obviously I've done a few of these for the Thursday night clap for the NHS. That's why they've been opened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in that one. So I've got Black Saturns in there. And I've got Black Saturns 2 in here. These are the double bursts. So these got 2 bangs. And there's 50 grams of powder in each of these as well. And then I've got in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 of them. And I've got more just normal Black Saturn ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in there as well. Obviously I have made a little rocket rack, but it didn't really go to plan, so I'll have to rebuild it. So, quite a few of them rockets. So yes, right, let's start with this. This comes as a deal. You got this standard Fireworks, Skyfall, 30 shots. And you got this as well. You got this and this for £25. So this has got 176 grams of powder in. That's not bad, little one. Then you've got a fanned one. Fanned effects. See, that's telling you to put it that way. And this one has got 210 grams of powder in. Nice little one. Right, now we've got Black Cat Olympus. This is an amazing firework as well. Quite big, quite weighty as well. Yeah, much weightier than them two. This has got, let's have a look, 430 grams of powder. Obviously you could bury them up to the lines, but I like to put a stake in the floor to tape them up. Obviously I use an electronic system as well, so obviously each their own. So there's them two. I've got this as well. Oh, look at this one. Standard Fireworks Premier Range. I'll put my phone down for a sec, sorry. I can't get out of the box. Retribution. 72 shots. This should be good. I haven't had this before. Let's see what it looks like when you open it. Don't know why it's got this box around the outside for, but how much powder does this have in it? This has 906 grams of powder, this one. So almost to its maximum. Let me just try and take this off. There we go. That's quite neat to keep inside the box. Well, I'd probably tear it down a bit because the holes are just here. I want to cause a fire. Also your lighter stick, wick, whatever you want to call it, stick, wick. For outside use only, well, you're not going to do it inside, are you? Because you'll cause an absolute nightmare, and I think everything will just catch on fire. Buried to this line. To be fair, in a box like this, that's not going to go anywhere, but I would still stake that to the floor just in case. Look at that. won't even take it out, just leave it in there. Right, that's that one. Oh, the fuse is right there as well. Get it back on. Okay, there's them. So I've got 3 cakes that are from Standard Fireworks. Oh, sorry, wrong way around. There we go. And obviously I've got 1 Black Cat Olympus. And then we've got these bad boys. Oh yeah. Sundown Black Cat Rockets. Now these are awesome. These are so loud. These have 108 grams of powder in. If I'm not mistaken, these should have 137 grams of powder in each rocket. Yep, 137 grams, yep. And I got 3 packs of these. £25 a pack, which really is good. £22.50, obviously £25 for them two and £45 for that. So, rockets are not doing too bad. I've got quite a few now. So I'll just put these with them. Oh, quite a few rockets. Obviously I've got them. And the other batch is down the shed that I put down yesterday. But yeah, that there is my part 2 of 2020 fireworks. And yeah, there should be much more. Thank you.